guys, welcome back to my channel. So actually you have a friend right here. Can you zoom in? Zoom. You see this? Oh my god, it looks so dirty. Okay, actually that's your friend, my friend actually, to be exact. It's actually my friend, and in today's video we're going to remove this makeup. I went to Mr. D.I.Y before this and I found something interesting. Actually, I found it on someone's YouTube video. I think it's Edward Avila YouTube channel, where he tried these makeup puff wipes, and I thought that maybe I should purchase that, but then I saw the price. It's a little bit too pricey. I'll link his video down here. I mean, it's been a long time I watched that video. I don't know if I can find that video, but if I did, then the link will be down here, guys. It will be down here, but if I didn't mention the link, then it means I didn't find the video. So this is what I bought. This is the cleansing puff from Keqi, I don't know, Keqi, Keqi makeup remover puff, new revolution of makeup remove. I don't know, I think there's typo or whatever it is. This one, this is at the back, okay. So I bought this for like 7 ringgit and 90 cents, so I was like, oh, it's really cheap, why don't I just buy this and give it a try. I hope it does its job because it's really cheap. I don't know. So it looks like this. This is actually a microfiber kind of puff, and you can use it for 200 times. So after 200 times you can just throw this away, guys. So how to use this? How? As I see, it didn't say anything how to use this. Thankfully, I watched Edward's video and I still remember you just have to dam this puff and then you just have to wipe the makeup away. And then I guess I'll just start and I will pull this off. Ew. Look at that. It looks so weird. Anyway, this, did you see how red it is? Oh my god. Anyway, I'm going to remove my makeup. I remove this side first, this side, and then I will remove the other side. So I will make my tudung like this. I look so weird, but who cares? I'll just do it anyway. So I have this container and I will just dam it down right inside, and then oh, okay, it's damped now. It's damped. You see the texture and everything, it's damped, and I'm going to remove right here, but for my eyes I'm going to let it stay for like 10 seconds or something. Wow, look at that. What? Look at that. One wipes, guys. One wipes. But it didn't do anything on my brows. My brows! Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, the black one is actually my mascara. This is my eye makeup right here, just here. So I'm going to remove my face makeup now, like half of it, just half. I mean, the puff is so soft, very soft. So this is my skin, my bare face, this side, this area. Right, this area I have my makeup. I'm going to use this Etude House water cleansing water, Monster Micellar cleansing water. I'm going to just rub my face like this. Oh, no, there's nothing. If you just use a cleansing water right after it, then it does not have much difference. Look at that. It did its job. You can say that it cleans like 90% of your makeup. Look at that. Look at that. It's not dirty at all. So if you use cleansing foam or cleansing gel after you remove your makeup, you already cleanse your face like 100%. You see? So clean. I can say that cheap stuff works. Cheap stuff did its job. This is my face without makeup. I cleanse it with this puff. You can see how it looks like this and this. See? You can see that, right? So all you have to do is, after you cleanse your makeup using this, you have to wash this microfiber thingy, and actually you can save a lot of money because you can use this for 200 times, and this is just 7 ringgit and 90 cents. I hope you enjoy my video, and don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you find that this video are informative and useful and you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click on the bell button. Okay, if you already subscribed. If you have not, then you have to subscribe my channel, and you also have to follow my Instagram because I do a different video for my Instagram. It's more like a makeup video, but I won't upload it on my YouTube channel, something like that, some short like that. So I hope you enjoy, and see you again on my next one. Bye.